Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm in my friend's place. I'm using her studio. So we are here to unbox a tool. Let's see what's inside. So this is a jigsaw which we can use for cutting wood and steel. It consumes 220 to 230 volt. It has slow speed of 800 rpm and maximum load of 3000 rpm. Let's open and see the machine, the tool. I've been wanting this for a very long time. I have a cutting machine which is not very convenient to cut for the craft items. So let's see what's there in the box. So there's a jigsaw, 2-pin cord. There's an Allen key here which is used to tighten this plate, and there's a metal scale here which can be used to measure the wood while cutting. And this is dust collector. Here is a manual book. And there are two blades, one for metal and one for wood. This is for metal and this is for wood. Here is the manual and warranty card for the jigsaw. So let's understand using the jigsaw. So this is the trigger button with which you can start sawing. And there is a speed button which you can adjust up to 6 speed. There are 6 variants of speed, and this is the lock button. So once you start sewing, you can on and off it, and once you turn switch it, it will hold, and once you press that again, it will release. So you can do that other way as well. And we have the plate. Here is where you can hold the tool. So if you push it, you will get it extracted so that you can place the blade inside. So let me show you that. I'm using the wood blade, and just press it upwards and then keep the blade inside and then release. So that's secure in here. Then here is a plastic guard to cover the dust. Here is the roller with which you can be adjusted using this orbit mode selector. So you have up to 3 modes which will accelerate the speed of cutting the wood or the metal. And then here is the dust extractor outlet. So there is a space to hold the dust extractor. If you place it like this, you can press it a little bit and then it will go inside. Okay. And this is the reverse button. This is front and this is back. Okay, that's all about the machine. So maybe I can show you how to use the machine in the next video. My Instagram ID is here. So if you DM me on this, I can share you the link. Until we meet again in the next video, take care. Do the things that make you happy. Bye.